Rightio, guys. So we're gonna be making a roast meal because my sister was gonna get me she's gonna get me Nando's, but her work burnt down, so gotta gotta make do. So I'm gonna make me a roast lamb, I think. So oh wait, no, I'm gonna need. So what I'm gonna do? So I got the apple over there. So I'm gonna start off with you know, fucking, what is it, like seasoning? I don't know, it's like the sauce. It's like the shit that goes with the roast meat to make it taste better. So you gotta peel this, so I'll peel that, and then yeah, so I'll just do that. Once you get your fucking peeled apple here, you probably want to turn the oven on, so you gotta turn on to, I don't know, fucking that thing, turn on to like high, it's fucking roast meal, so you gotta fucking turn it on like as high as possible. So the bowls, I'm gonna put like all the ingredients in there, and then put it back into like the roasting thing, whatever. So there's like a gizmo in here. It's this thing. It's supposed to slice the apple up. I've never used it before, but we'll see how it goes. It's supposed to. Well, that wasn't very much help. So I was going to do it with 2 hands. So I'll be back in a sec. So once you've got it around the right way, because I had it on the blunt end, and you've used 2 hands, you get this weird pattern or something that I don't know you get, but I suppose you would get that. Just gotta take them out, I suppose. It's not quite fully thinged, but when I'm chucking them in the bowl, I want the core. It's probably the finest I've ever seen an apple, thing, about the core. So you just chuck lemon on there. So now you've got that. I thought it'd be a bit thinner, but you got that as the get that in there. So now we'll get chuck an onion now. Chuck an onion in there because you have onions in roast meals, as you do. So gotta peel this. I'll be back in a sec. Once you've got your fucking peeled onion here, like you've got, like you do, I would cut this up one-handed, but then again, I don't want to cut my fingers off or just cut myself in you. So I think I've got another gauge in here that I've never used, which I'm assuming should slice it up into like nice fine pieces or something. So it's got one of them out of place, but should be right. We'll see how it goes. So it's working, I think. It's also needing a lot more pressure than I thought. I don't know if this is for onions or not, but I think is that it breaking, or is that just, I don't know. Okay. Okay. I think it just broke one of the wires. So I'm gonna cut it by hand. So I'll be back. So I think that was like an egg slice or something, because it was not ready to take this onion. So I don't know how to cut an onion up really. Like I wanted to get like slices, but I ended up with whatever this is. I don't know. So you just chuck that in there. Might eat some of this. Him. Oh. Him. Oh. Oh. Definitely taste the chemicals. Ah. I just spat in my hand on, or sneezed or whatever it was. Okay. So, I don't have, I don't have any meat, I don't think. Or like roast lamb. So we're gonna have to use something else. We use a fucking lamington. So this is the lamb. So we'll chuck that in there. Put that all in there. Now, we got the vegetables, which are the onion, and we got the lamb, and we need some more stuff. Let's grab whatever this is. I don't know, it's like fiber 90 or something. We'll just open this up with fucking, give me a sec. Once you've opened it up with 2 hands, you just chuck that in there. Yeah, chuck it in there. Chuck it, yeah. Feels a bit weird to fail. That was something else in there. Oh, I don't know what else to add. Probably, probably add. Let's add something over here. Crackers. We can add some crackers. Let's add some crackers. So I'll open these with two hands. So of course one of them was crumbled. So then there's crumbs everywhere. But you just chuck them in there. Pretty sure the roast meals have crackers in them. So just crumble that up and just chuck it on in there. Yeah, and just look at that roast meal. Got it all over my hand. I'm gonna clean that up and add more ingredients. Cleaned your hand and look at that nice roast meal. Nice. What else can we add? I don't know. I think that's enough in the pantry. Might just add some more of this, some of this. Cause I don't know. This just looks like it looks good. I can always struggle opening shit with one hand. It'd be nice to have two hands and also record. Yes, look at that while I get this out and then just sprinkle that on in. Yes. Okay, we'll just check that over there. My hands are... Jeez. I'm gonna wash my hands. One-handed. Yes. Feel the power. Now let's shake them out. Well, we'll come over here and see. So I got no meat. I don't have any meat. So we got some milk. Chuck this bad boy in there. Yes, chuck that in there. A little bit more, yeah. Yes, it's looking delicious. Right, we'll put that back because gotta keep the milk fresh. So there's a couple more things I want to add, so I'm just gonna do that. So I'm gonna put this there. I'm gonna take this over here, and I'll just be back in a sec while I get more of the stuff. Gonna add this. Yeah, bubbles. Gotta add bubbles to it. I'm just dipping it in. I'm very bad at filming, but you know, bubbles. Yeah, what I'm doing is I'm blowing bubbles into it. It's really hard to film. Yeah, most of that went on my phone that time, but I'll do it again. This is kind of fun though. It's hard to film me and what I'm doing while also blowing bubbles. But let's just film that and then you go. A lot of bubbles. Okay, once you've bubbled it up, you have to add one more thing. Okay, so now add a piece of paper and sit on fire. Which I probably shouldn't be doing while I'm home alone. Yeah. Remember, my sister's work burnt down, and I know I'm setting fire to some paper in a bowl. It's not really catching fire, bro, probably because of the milk. It's just keep setting fire to that. It's not really catching fire. Now, okay, the house kind of smells like burnt, so I'm gonna try a little, yeah, that's probably enough of the fire, so let's just, yeah, there's some ash in there now. But all these steps are crucial. So now once you've set fire to some paper and that doesn't go in very well, and now you can smell ash and you smell ash and you gotta get, I think this, yeah, this, and then just mash it all up. Mash it. Delicious meal. Be easier with 2 hands to make, but you know, you'll be doing that. Some milk in there and something, and just like some ash in there, and there's bubble mixture a little bit. This is gonna be a delicious roast meal. Okay. You've done that, and you've got, oh, look at that, delicious. We'll get, no, just get like a normal spoon, because I don't do that many dishes. I'll just put this in the dishwasher. Just mix it. Okay, well, I think it's about ready, so I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna eat it, and then, yeah. This is a bad idea, though. Oh jeez. Don't know why I'm gonna eat it, but I'm gonna eat it. So, here we go. Mmm. Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh. I need to just throw up in my mouth and came out of the sink because I wanted to throw up. So I'm just gonna put this in the oven though. So we'll just, because it's not quite done, we'll just put it in the oven and then just because you know I could just use a bit of ovening. So put it in the oven and turn it off because that's a bad sound. But put it in the oven. So once you've returned your oven on, you want to turn it off like so. So you know I've cooked this for about half an hour or something like that, or probably longer than that. You know, there we go. Look at that roast meal. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna have to do this one-handed. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm gonna be back in a second. Look at that. Oh, just check that away. Look at that roast meal that we made. Hope you've learned something. This instructional, how-to video on how to make a fucking roast meal. Look at that. We got like lamb and peas and carrots and whatever vegetables those are. Also, I've learned that make sure you water down the paper before you put it in the bin because it could catch fire. Well, not catch fire, but melt the plastic of the bin lining. But there we go. Look at that. It's all a roast meal that I'm gonna enjoy. It's all because my sister's work burnt down, so I couldn't go to Nando's, so I made a roast lamb. I'm gonna eat this now. Okay, see ya. Yes.